Let's see what the Hobbit house looks like inside. Isn't it so cute? Did you know there's a little slice of Middle Earth hidden in the mountains of Central America? As a certified nerd, I was geeked out to stay in a real-life Hobbit home, right here at the Bambuda Hostel. In this video, we're covering my stay here, including accommodations, food, attractions, accessibility, I have cerebral palsy, and more. Tucked into the highlands of Boquete, Panama, Bambuda Hostel is where rustic nature meets an enchanted fantasy. With stunning views, lush grounds, hobbit homes, and a castle, this place feels like it was taken straight out of a movie set. I just love taking in the views from the bed or sitting outside grinning at all of the cute mystical hobbit themes that surrounded me. I mean seriously, when I say hobbit home, I mean hobbit home. Rounded grass roofs, the whole vibe. All that was missing was an actual hobbit. Tee-hee! The inside was just as magical, cozy, and surprisingly comfortable. It's the kind of place that makes you want to curl up with a good book and put on a wizard hat. Let's see what the Hobbit house looks like inside. So, I didn't really make the bed, but this is just so you guys can see what it looks like from in here. So the bed faces out. This gorgeous view. So it has a little place for you to put your luggage. Another window. Has a ceiling fan. And then I'm just in love with this door. Isn't it cute? So this is the door to the bathroom. Let me show you the back. Isn't it so cute? I just love it. So here's the bathroom. Nice little shelves over here. 2 windows. Little sink area. Oops, I almost fell. So this is the Hobbit home here in Boquete, Panama. And it's not just the Hobbit homes. Bambuda also has a castle. Inside the castle, you can find hostel rooms, a lobby, a restaurant, and a balcony where you can eat, read, or just sit and take in the scenery. Their website shows the various types of accommodations on the property, the restaurant, and different ways to get there from various locations in Panama. You can reserve your room on their website or via other booking companies. Keep in mind that the prices vary for the Hobbit homes versus those in the castle and the rest of the property. Getting to downtown Boquete was easy. The front desk can call a cab for you, which was only a couple of dollars each way. We ended up going on 2 excursions. One was whitewater rafting and the other was to a hot spring. You can find some things to do on this website, which is linked in the description below.
All back! Woo!
We also dined in 2 restaurants and went to a local bar for some live music. As a traveler with cerebral palsy, I do want to mention a bit on the accessibility here for those who, like me, might have mobility constraints. The Hobbit home that I stayed in, which was the first one, had a walkway from the path straight to the door. The bathroom door might be a tight fit if you're in a wheelchair or using a walker, and there was a slight step to get into the shower. Some websites state the following for accessibility, but I would write in or call to make sure. They have ground floor units, wheelchair accessible rooms, wheelchair accessible parking, wheelchair accessible registration desk, and restaurant. Boquete can get cool at night, so bring something extra to keep you warm. Pay attention to Panama's rainy season. Did it ruin my trip? No, but you need to be made aware of it. Normally, it lasts from May to November. I always think that travel gives you a chance to play with new versions of yourself, and here I got to live like a hobbit. It reminded me that it's okay to be a little weird and a little whimsical, because travel isn't just about ticking off destinations, it's about finding joy in the unexpected. Have you ever stayed somewhere that felt like you were stepping into another world? Drop your favorite nerdy travel moments in the comments below. Until next time, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.